theoretically, my mind thinks, all right, a lot of Firestone rubbers been laid down on the racetrack. How beneficial do you think that is for these drivers in this practice session compared to what we saw a little bit earlier today where they didn't have all the IndyCar rubber laid down?
Yeah, well, I think it's going to help them. I think the more rubber you get down on the surface, it's going to get better. And obviously, now that you have Firestone on both steering wheels, the car is going to benefit both of them. The more laps turn, it's going to help the other class. So I think the more it gets down, the more confident they get in it. And the other is they're trying to widen out the range. What I mean by that is they're moving around a little bit, trying inside, trying outside. The more rubber you get down on the entire racetrack, the better you get the capacity as well.
Foster, Abel Rowe, Gould, and Miles Rowe. We've got to differentiate those two. James Rowe third, Reed Cole fourth, Miles Rowe fifth. Salvador de Alba Jr. is sixth quick right now. It's back to Nolan Hour seventh. Eighth, Stephen Suttermore, D. Jonathan Brown. Ninth, Jamie Chadwick is tenth. Callum Hedge is 11th. Gave him a nod early in this broadcast. That young man's first opportunity racing in Indy next and doing it and jumping in a car mid-season when so many of these drivers have their rhythm underneath them, you know, going week after week driving a race car. That is not an easy thing to do, but that young man, 23 years old from California, I think we're impressing us here in these early practices.
Yeah, no Christian for a long time. Matter of fact, played so-called racing out with teammates up with my son, and we had lots of talent back then, and still has it. Climbing his way up this ladder, obviously, very tough. I mean, him and his family work really hard, and they feel what they have and try to climb the ranks. I think it's great. I think he's a driver who's going to be a contender. He's using his cars, he's using the team, he knows what to do. I think Brooks is going to be one to be a challenger and put himself in a win on top of that morning this year.
Yeah, a year ago, only contested 4 USF 30,000 races for Turn 3 Motorsports. Made a pretty impressive run, winning in St. Petersburg, and then obviously had a lot of experience one level below. Established a little rapport with the team, get a feel for the race car, and ultimately those results should come.
Yeah, that's exactly right. He actually grabbed himself to win at the fourth, dropped to fifth right now, so he has the speed already. First time in this car, first time in the game, already showed a lot of promise, so nothing but that feel good.
Under 10 minutes to go in this practice session. Jacob Abel has now gone to P1 at a minute 12.99. So he is dipped under that minute 13 range. Up Luke Foster to second. Kyle Collette is third. Callum Hedge is fourth. As you mentioned, Christian Brooks, very, very strong. Just set his best lap at a minute 13.850. That is good enough for fifth. Jamie Chadwick is sixth. Jason Rowe just set his fastest lap, moved himself up to seventh. Salvador de Alba is eighth. Christian Vogel is ninth. And really, just maybe looking up and down timing and scoring just recently, the last 7 drivers in the top 12 all just set their best lap in this practice session. So, not to be a surprise because these drivers are setting
fewer tires, both teams came in, put new set of tires on. Usually the second, third, fourth lap, that's going to be your sweet spot to get the best out of those tires you possibly can. You don't want to mess up one of those laps and just watch Brooks come off that final corner, slow down, and try to get the clear racetrack back on again. That's good. But how about Jamie Chadwick? He's ninth over on that 66 right now, and 113. Actually, 113.89 with the fastest lap right now. So that lap been able to record that. Got into 112 seconds. Already got into 112, but he didn't
get to keep the top spot for very long, so because here comes Louis Foster right back to the top at a minute 12.6. So Jacob enjoyed that short little trip to the top because Louis Foster is picking him up late.
Passing up good.
Louis Foster just set the fastest lap in this practice session at a minute 13.19 with 13 minutes to go. And now we see Josh Pearson, another one of those.
For Jacob Abel, the effect was pretty late because this season, but Louis Foster is catching fire and is tracked down at 19 points.